Then on page 3, it states, to understand the vast breadth of section 15-20A-11 D4, consider, for instance, a college freshman convicted of downloading explicit photos of their high school partners that their high school partner sent to them. Now, under Alabama's law, that person will never be able to reside with their child, even if that college freshman does not become a parent until decades after graduating, even if that college freshman never engages in any other type of PFR type offenses.
And that's the problem with such legislation. Again, they could have done this had they done it wisely, but they don't try to do things wisely. Just do feel-good things.
Then what specifically does the law prohibit a PFR from doing?
Well, residing with, as I understand it, an overnight stays, and they just an overnight visit, according to the court, occurs whenever an offender is in the same place as a minor for any part of the period between the hours of 10:30 and 6 a.m. According to the court, this section prevents Henry from being present in the same home of his son, 1, at any time between the hours of 10:30 and 6 a.m., and 2, for more than 4 hours a day on 3 consecutive days, 3, for more than 4 hours a day on 10 or more days during a calendar month. Now, that's pretty good. You got to give them credit. They did the consecutive and then they did the cumulative. And then fourth, on any other circumstance where he is habitually and systematically present at his son's home. Now, I don't know what habitually and systematically present would mean, but those are it sounds like they've pretty well battened down the hatch on any contact with your children.
Other than you need like a scientific calculator to figure out when you are in compliance or not. So I see that on page 13 that both parties filed for, hey, summary judgment, your favorite. I know how much you love that approach. And it states, on March 31st of 2023, the parties filed cross motions for summary judgment. The district court partially granted Henry's motion, and it denied the defendant's motion in full. The court concluded that section 15-20A-11D4 implicated Henry's substantive due process rights to the care and custody and control of his child.
Well, you are correct. I generally do not prefer that approach, but it may have not been detrimental in this particular case.